Alright, so here's my 48 volt 1000 watt hubless motor, rear motor from Power Surround. Here's the controller for the brushless motor. It doesn't come with a tire, but it comes with a twist throttle, the pass sensor, 2 levers if you want to hook those up, and it comes with this LCD display screen. And the only instructions are actually for the LCD display screen. So there was no instructions in the box, but it shouldn't be too hard to hook up. I do like that it's labeled, the wires, so it won't be too hard to figure out. So you got it labeled over here, the display, the power, if you want to hook up a lamp, for your motor, hooking up the motor. Alright, so I'll be installing this on my bike later. Once my battery comes in. This came in pretty fast actually. I think it took about 2 weeks, which is pretty fast from China. Alright, I'll leave a link in the description in case you want to order it. Alright, peace out.